Ready for your tour of the city? A street map. Good idea. Wow! Looks like there are a lot of things to see and do here.
Click on each of these pictures to see places to visit in the city. Park. Restaurant. Ice cream parlor. Art museum. Beach. Bus station.
Well, I think you should start off the day with a good lunch. So let's see where the restaurant is. Yes, good idea. We can mark where it is on the map.
Click on the marker.
Okay, so the restaurant is here. Hey, and look! The art museum is just down the street from the restaurant. So you can eat at the restaurant and then go along this street straight to the art museum.
You need to mark a path from the restaurant to the art museum. Click on the marker.
So, where do you want to go after the art museum? You want to go to the park?
Click on the path that leads from the art museum straight to the park. Then click OK. That's right. This path leads from the art museum straight to the park.
Okay, when you're finished at the art museum, you can follow this path to the park. And you know, by the time you've finished at the park, it's going to be late. So you might as well go from the park straight to the restaurant and have dinner.
Click on the marker to show the path from the park straight to the restaurant.
Well, that'll be quite a day. You'll start at the restaurant. Take this path straight to the art museum, go around this corner, and take this path straight to the park, and then go around this corner, and take this path straight to the restaurant. Now you've decided where you're going to go on your first day in the city. And looking at the paths that lead from one place to the next on the map, we can see that each path joins another path at a corner to form this shape.
Click on each path. These three straight paths are the sides of this shape. Now, click on the shape. A shape with three straight sides that meet to form three corners is called a triangle. This is the word triangle.
This corner here looks different from the other two corners in this shape. It's like the corner of a page, or a book.
Click on this corner. This corner is called a square corner.
So this shape is a triangle with one square corner. Hey, look! The stickers on your suitcase are all different shapes. Is one of these shapes a triangle?
Click on the shape that is a triangle. Then click OK. Well done! This shape is a triangle because it has 3 straight sides and 3 corners.
Well, we've planned where you're going to go on your first day in the city. Now, where will you go on your second day? Yeah, you could take a bus trip. Let's find the bus station on this map.
Click on the bus station, then click OK. That's right. This is the bus station.
Where could you go on the bus? Okay, if the weather is good, you can take a bus from the bus station straight to the beach.
Click on the marker to show the path from the bus station straight to the beach.
You know, after a swim at the beach, it would be nice to get some ice cream. You could take the bus from the beach straight to the ice cream parlor.
Which arrow shows the direction that our friend will travel to go from the beach straight to the ice cream parlor? Drag an arrow here, then click OK. That's right. This arrow shows the direction from the beach to the ice cream parlor.
So, you'll travel along this path in this direction to get from the beach to the ice cream parlor. And then you can take the bus from the ice cream parlor straight to the bus station.
Which arrow shows the direction that our friend will travel to go from the ice cream parlor straight to the bus station? Drag an arrow here, then click OK. That's it. This arrow shows the direction from the ice cream parlor to the bus station.
So, tomorrow, you'll travel from the bus station to the beach around this corner, then straight across to the ice cream parlor, and then around another corner, straight to the bus station. Look, these 3 straight paths form the sides of a shape.
Click on each side of this shape. 1, 2, 3.
This shape has 3 straight sides that meet to form 3 corners. It's a triangle. So, even though this triangle looks different from this triangle, each one has 3 straight sides that meet to form 3 corners. Let's draw another triangle. 3 points like this, which we can join like this. Now there are 3 straight sides that meet to form 3 corners.
Click on any 3 points to draw a triangle.
You're going to see lots of great things in this art museum. Let's look at the floor plan. A floor plan is like a map. It shows how many floors there are in a building, and shows where the rooms are on each floor.
Click on the floor plan. There are 2 floors in the art museum. The first floor and the second floor.
Well, there's the ticket office. So let's see if we can find it on the floor plan and see what floor you're on.
Click on the ticket office. The ticket office is on the first floor.
Well, looks like you're on the right floor, because you'll first need to buy a ticket at the ticket office. Then you can check your coat and bag in at the coat room.
Click on the marker to show the path from the ticket office to the coat room.
So, you need to follow this straight path to get from the ticket office to the coat room. When you've checked in your coat and bag, you can go to, how about the paintings room? In this room, you can see paintings from around the world.
To show the path from the coat room straight to the paintings room, click on the marker.
After you visit the paintings room, you might want to get a snack and a drink, so you can go to the cafe.
Click on the cafe. You can go along this path to get from the paintings room straight to the cafe.
Well, once you've gone to the cafe, you will have visited all the rooms on this floor. So you might as well go straight back to where you started from, the ticket office.
Which arrow shows the direction our friend will travel to go from the cafe straight to the ticket office? Drag the arrow here, then click OK. That's right! This arrow shows the direction from the cafe straight to the ticket office.
So, starting at the ticket office, you'll take this path straight to the coat room, go around this corner, take this path straight to the paintings room, go around this corner, and take this path straight to the cafe, and finally go around this corner and take this path straight to the ticket office. These paths form a shape made up of 4 straight sides that meet to form 4 corners. And look, all 4 corners are the same.
Click on this shape. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 square corners in this shape. Now, click on the shape again to hear its name. A shape with 4 straight sides that meet to form 4 square corners like this is a rectangle.
So, the paths that you'll take on your visit to the first floor form a rectangle. More shapes. All of these shapes have straight sides, but which shapes are rectangles?
Click on the rectangles, then click OK. That's right. These shapes are rectangles.
There are 4 straight sides in this shape that meet to form 4 square corners. So this is a rectangle. And there are 4 straight sides in this shape that meet to form 4 square corners. So this is also a rectangle. This shape has 4 straight sides, but the sides do not meet to form square corners. So this is not a rectangle. This shape has 4 straight sides, but only 2 square corners. So it is not a rectangle. This shape has 5 straight sides, not 4. So it is not a rectangle. So, what else would you like to see in the art museum? You'd like to see some statues?
Click on this picture of a statue to find the statue room. The statue room is on the 2nd floor.
So on the 2nd floor, you can start here and then go to,
Click on each of these pictures to hear what rooms are on the 2nd floor. Gift shop. Movie room. Photography room. Statue room.
Okay, from the room with the statues, you can go straight to the photography room to look at some photographs.
Click on the marker to show the path from the statue room straight to the photography room.
From the photography room, you can go straight to the movie room and find out more about the movies.
Which arrow shows the direction from the photography room straight to the movie room? Drag an arrow here, then click OK. That's it. This arrow shows the direction from the photography room straight to the movie room.
From the movie room, you can go straight to the gift shop and buy some souvenirs.
Click on the marker.
So, when you're finished in the gift shop, you can take this path straight back to the room with the statues, where you started. We've drawn a shape with 4 straight sides and 4 square corners. It is a rectangle. But look, this rectangle is different from the rectangle that shows the paths on the 1st floor.
Click on this rectangle.
Hey, look! The sides of this rectangle are all the same length.
Click on the rectangle again to find out more. A rectangle with all 4 sides the same length is called a square.
That's right. A square is a special rectangle because its four sides are the same length.
One of these shapes is a square. Can you tell which one? Click on the square. Then click OK. That's it. This shape has four straight sides that are the same length and four square corners. So it is a square.
This shape is a rectangle, but we can see that its four sides are not the same length, so it is not a square. This shape does not have four square corners, so it is not a square. And this shape is a triangle. So, as well as seeing all the rooms in the art museum today, we've drawn two rectangles. They may look different, but they all have four straight sides and four square corners. A rectangle whose sides are all the same length is a square.
Click on the button to see different rectangles. Some rectangles are squares. Keep clicking on the button to see other rectangles. Well done! You've completed this lesson. Click here to go to the practice area, or click here to return to the menu. Click on the path that leads from the park to the restaurant. When you're done, click OK. That's it. This path leads from the park to the restaurant.
This is the park, and this is the restaurant. To go from the park to the restaurant, we take this path.
Click on the tile that has a triangle on it. When you're done, click OK. That's it. The shape on this tile is a triangle.
The shape on this tile is a triangle because it has three straight sides and three corners.
Click on the shapes that are triangles. When you're done, click OK. That's right. These shapes are triangles.
These shapes are triangles because they each have three straight sides and three corners.
Here are three different shapes. Click on the shape that is a rectangle, then click OK. That's right. This shape is a rectangle.
This shape has four straight sides that meet to form four square corners. So this shape is a rectangle.
Each of these shapes has four sides. Click on the shapes that are rectangles, then click OK. That's right. These shapes are rectangles.
This shape has 4 straight sides that meet to form 4 square corners. So this shape is a rectangle. This shape also has 4 straight sides that meet to form 4 square corners. So this shape is also a rectangle.
Which of these shapes is a square? Click on the square, then click OK. That's it. This shape is a square.
This shape is a square because it has 4 straight sides that are the same length and 4 square corners.
Which of these shapes is a square? Click on the square, then click OK. That's right. This shape is a square.
This shape has 4 straight sides that are the same length and 4 square corners. So it's a square.
Good work! You've completed these practice questions. Click here to go to the workout, or click here to return to the menu.
I see you're using some shapes to make a picture. Let's add the next shape.
Click on our friend.
To finish your picture, you need 3 rectangles. Here are some shapes to choose from. Can you find 3 rectangles?
Click on the 3 rectangles, then click OK. These shapes are rectangles, but there's one more rectangle. Try again. These shapes are rectangles, but there's one more rectangle. Try again. That's it. These 3 shapes are rectangles. They each have 4 straight sides and 4 square corners.
Okay, let's see where these 3 rectangles fit into your picture. This one goes here to make a tree trunk. This one goes here to make a log cabin. And this one goes here to make a chimney. 3 more rectangles will finish your picture. A rectangle has 4 straight sides and 4 square corners. So you need to choose shapes that have 4 straight sides and 4 square corners. Let's look at this shape.
Click on the shape. One, 2, 3.
This shape has 3 straight sides that meet to form 3 corners. So it is a triangle, not a rectangle. Now look at this shape. It has 5 sides.
Which of these shapes also has 5 sides? Click on the shape with 5 sides, then click OK. That's right. This shape also has 5 sides.
Both of these shapes have 5 straight sides. So they're not rectangles. But what about this shape? It has 4 straight sides and 4 square corners, so it is a rectangle. Is this shape a rectangle?
Click on this shape.
This shape has 4 straight sides. But it does not have 4 square corners. So it is not a rectangle. Okay, now for the next shape.
What is this shape called? Click on the name, then click OK. That's right. This shape is called a square.
A shape with all 4 straight sides the same length and 4 square corners is called a square. A square is a special rectangle because each of its 4 sides is the same length. That leaves this shape. It has 4 straight sides and 4 square corners. So this shape is a rectangle. Great! Now you have the 3 shapes you need to finish your picture. This shape goes here, this shape goes here, and this shape goes here.
Good job! You've completed this workout. Click here to go to the next lesson, or click here to return to the menu.